Welcome back to my channel. It's Eric Noel, the Real Estate Guy, your expert new construction real estate agent. And if this is your first time to my channel, be sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe, click that notification bell, and you'll be notified every time we drop a new tour. And if you want to view new construction, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Give me a call, shoot me a text message, shoot me an email, DM me. We would love to schedule a tour for you. And if you want to search new construction, what you need to do is click that link in the comments below, and that way you can search all new construction by community, by builder, price point, bedrooms, bath. There's so many options that are available to you. Today we're in West Sacramento, Parkside at the river. This is the Plan 2. Base price $669,990. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage, 2,375 square feet. Let's take a look at this beautiful home.